Practice problems 3 and 4. So sometimes it might say multiply or it might say simplify, okay? Same thing. If it says simplify, you have to figure out, well, what kind of problem is this? Since we have parentheses, this is a multiplication problem, okay? So we're going to simplify by multiplying. So don't get confused if the directions say simplify instead of multiply. If you see those parentheses, that means you're multiplying. So we're going to start off coefficient times coefficient. 7 times 2 is 14. Write our variable. We are adding exponents. I have -1, -1 plus 1, that's 0. If I get a 0, that means I don't have a variable. So it's just 14. Then I put my minus sign. Now I'm multiplying 7 times 3, which is 21. I put my h. I'm adding my exponents. I have a -1 plus 4. That's 3. So this one was weird. The variable went away. So a 0 means it's gone, okay? Not a 1. But since that was a 0, there is no h. Practice problem 3. Sorry, that says 2. So we're going to first multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Put our s. Add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. Put a minus sign. 3 times 6 is 18. We put our s. There's nothing to add to it. We're done.